Hello, friends. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with another painting. This time I'm drawing four of my favorite things in the world. First, a big thank you to the photographers who captured these amazing photos. I'll share their IDs so you can check them out too. Let's start the sketch. I'm using my waterproof pen. First up, a blue butterfly. If that's not pure beauty, what is? Then a flower pot where I try to show some density with pen lines so watercolor has less work to do. Next is a cake. The original had 3 tiers, but I left one out so it wouldn't look too small in the frame. I'm going pretty free with this drawing, not stressing about matching the reference exactly. And finally, the king of the jungle. Yes, for me it's the cat. No creature is both majestic and cute at the same time like cats are. Honestly, you could write a whole book praising them. Now it's time for watercolor. I paint all four subjects together, layering colors and letting them dry before adding more. I keep it light and spotty so the subjects don't get lost. Then I add final details with my dip pen and highlights with white gouache. And that's it. My painting of 4 of the best things in the world. Honestly, coffee should have joined the team too, but maybe next time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Your support makes me so happy and gives me energy. Stay creative and inspired.